Continuing with the terms and concepts, we have to look at more secret societies, because when nationalism starts in a country, therefore wherever nationalism surfaces, their secret societies are bound to occur. Now, young Italy was again a secret society, and this was founded by Mazzini at a place called Marseille. Next is Romanticism. Romanticism is a cultural movement wherein people try to depict their culture, their heritage, and so many things of the country of which they feel proud of. So all the past in which you can feel pride, and you try to actually awaken the feeling of nationalism of the people through culture of the country is called as Romanticism. In India, if you remember, when the nationalism was going on, we also tried to revive the national movement through cultural heritage. Whether we actually gave the symbol of charkha when Gandhiji gave this forward, or such symbols which actually presented in the minds of the people the feeling that the ancient past was very glorious. Next is Das Volk. Das Volk is in fact a German word, and the meaning of it is common people. That's the Das Volk. Republic. Is India a republic or not? Yes. If we look at the Constitution of India, and especially the preamble, what does it say? That India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. And what is a republic? The republic is in fact that kind of government where the head of the state is an elected one. It's not hereditary. Next is feminist. Feminist is that movement which advocates women's rights on the basis of equality of both men and women. Next is allegory. Allegory is a symbol, and it is an idea by which you try to represent something else. It's an abstract idea. That's allegory. You are actually depicting something by a thing which is altogether different. And allegories are generally done to actually symbolize, to represent motherland. If I talk about India, then India as such, the motherland, what is it called as? What is the allegory? What is the symbol of it? Bharat Mata. So similarly, in Europe also, there were different allegories, and you will see that whenever motherland, whenever a country has to be depicted, it is always done by a symbol of a female. Next is the Balkan region. The Balkan region was again a big region. It comprised of many countries like Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Serbia. And the people who inhabited these regions were called as Slavs, S-L-A-V-S, Slavs. Next is Jacobians. Jacobians were those people who contested election in France after the French Revolution in 1789. They were demanding liberty, equality, and fraternity. Next is Junkers. Junkers were those landowners, big landowners, who had huge land in Prussia, almost like the big zamidars of India. So, as we have the zamidars in India, they have Junkers in Prussia. These were the difficult or the new words that you needed to understand before I start with the chapter. But before I start with the chapter, in the next clipping, I am going to tell you about the 1-mark questions which can be asked from the chapter.